Hi, today we're going to talk about my website. So because this is personal information, we're going to go to My Business, My Information. You're going to see a lot of tabs here on the side, but we're going to specifically select My Website. So this is where your story is. So your story is going to be displayed on your personal website. We have already selected for you Why Shop with a Consultant. So this is going to be information that your customers can see about why they should be shopping with you. You can change this. You can add as much or as little information here as you choose. Make sure you keep it professional, watch for proper grammar and punctuation, and try not to overshare. In this section, we're able to change our fonts, we're able to change the sizing of our fonts, and the colors. So once you've selected everything that you want to say in your story, you're going to go ahead and just save your story. So click on that button there, and you'll see a confirmation. Now let's go to your personal website so you can see where your story is going to be located. So you're going to go to the main Pure Romance page, find you as the consultant, and then view your profile. This is going to show all of your personal information, but we're going to scroll all the way down, and this is where your story is going to be. If you like the way it looks and everything is good to go, then you're great. And if you want to make additional changes, just go back to that My Business, My Information page to make any additional changes that you want to see.